Naghahanap ka ba ng budget-friendly condotel para sa inyong next Iloilo vacation trip ngayong 2025? Gusto mo ba ng staycation spot na malapit sa top attraction tulad ng Mega World Festive Walk, Iloilo River Esplanade, Molo Church, Molo Mansion, at iba pang sikat na restaurants at malls? I got you! Let me introduce to you to La Casa de Lac at Avida Towers Atria, a modern, stylish, comfortable, and super clean condotel. At ang pinaka-best part, fully equipped na ang mga units, kaya wala ka nang aalahanin. Tara, tignan natin ang unang unit nila. Spacious, mabango, at elegant ang design. Very comfy ang sofa bed. Plus, may smart TV at mabilis ang internet. Malakas ang aircon, kaya super chill ang stay mo. Sa kitchen area, kompleto ang gamit. Big refrigerator, microwave oven, rice cooker, plates, utensils. Tara naman sa bathroom. Maluwag, malinis, at may hot and cold shower. May bidet at sink na spotless. May washing machine kaya no worries sa labada. Sa bedroom, may queen size bed plus extra mattress. Smart TV, malakas din ang aircon. May extra electric fan pa.
Hi everyone, this is Rhea and I own this one-bedroom unit here at Avida Towers. This is called La Casa de Lac. That is the name of our page in Facebook, La Casa de Lac at Avida Atria. So if you are interested to have a beautiful accommodation here in Iloilo City, this unit is perfect for you. So you can call us on this number, 0917-142-4467, or you may directly message us on our page, La Casa de Lac at Avida Atria.
Tingnan naman natin ang isa pang unit na nasa Story 1 building. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ang bango at ang linis. May art decors na nagbibigay ng good vibes. Comfy sofa bed, smart TV, and fast Wi-Fi. Sa bedroom, queen-size bed na super sarap higaan. Smart TV, split-type aircon na sobrang lamig. May closet para sa inyong best OOTD outfits. Dito sa kitchen area, fully equipped din. Big refrigerator, microwave, rice cooker, complete dining set with plates and utensils, libreng snacks and coffee para sa mga guests. At syempre, bathroom tour tayo. Super linis, mabango, at may hot and cold shower. May bidet at libreng soap, shampoo at conditioner. Smart mirror na pwedeng baguhin ang lighting settings depende sa mood mo.
Hello again, this is Rhea Fin Ambao Barte and we are here right now in our one-bedroom unit with balcony here at Avida Towers Atria. So this one-bedroom unit is equipped with a full double bed, which is good for 2 packs, but this can accommodate a maximum of 5 persons. So this is perfect for 2. If you are also a family or a barkada, this is a perfect vacation spot for you. So this room is priced at 2,599 for weekdays and 2,899 for weekends. And if you are interested to book this unit, you can call me on this number, 0917-142-4467, or you may directly message me on our Facebook page, La Casa de Lac at Avida Towers Atria. Thank you!
So mga kabiyahe, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, stylish, and fully equipped condotel in Iloilo, that close to top attraction, La Casa de Lac at Avida Towers Atria is definitely worth considering. Book your stay now and experience comfort, convenience, and affordability all in one place. For inquiries, message them on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget travel tips and amazing staycation spots. Hanggang sa muli mga kabiyahe, kita-kits, always stay safe, and God bless. Maraming po salamat.